Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students. In the last lesson, we started lesson 2 in reading and writing, and you can see that the second lesson is about alliances. So the essential question would be, why do people form alliances, mean groups for the common interest? And we took vocabulary and later on reading also. Now I would start from vocabulary. You can see name of the lesson is Drumbeat of Freedom, and on your screen you should see these vocabulary we discussed, and now in this brief review video we will have a look once again upon them. The first one is adversity is a condition of misfortune that is often out of person's control. So adversity is misfortune. Alliance exists if people or groups have come together to achieve a common goal. So this lesson is also about alliance, making groups for the common cause or goal. Next word we have confinement. Confinement is a way to keep someone or something from moving about freely. So it's a kind of prison. And next one, reminisce. Reminisce means when you remember and talk about something that happened in the past. So it's a recalling memory about the past, which are pleasant. Retrieved, a lost object is retrieved when it is found. So retrieved means when you get something back. Smuggle, if you smuggle something, you bring it in or take it out secretly or without permission. So smuggling is take something illegally without permission, secretly. Spindly, something that is tall, thin and weak is spindly, something weak. And last word is inflicted. So something that is inflicted on a person, place or thing cause injury or harm. So inflicted bring harm, injury. Example, the hurricane inflicted damage in many towns. Now in sentences, you can see that we took these sentences which is already you have in your book, and after sentences we also started reading lesson. The genre is historical fiction, so it's a real story, but the characters are not real. Drumbeat of Freedom is a historical story in which there are three characters, and two are brother and sister, and one is a injured soldier. And the main question is, why do people form alliances? So now you took, and we can also that in this lesson there is a war in 1777 in America, and that war was fought for the freedom. During that war, there was a family, and the setting is a farmhouse where sister and brother are taking care of the animals, and the village is cold, and their parents advised them not to let anybody in because it was the days of dangers and war. But incidentally, their injured soldier visited that barn, the place where the animal been kept, and they just served him with food and with shoes, and they just started alliance with that soldier. So this is a brief story about Drumbeat of Freedom. Hopefully you would have a brief idea in this review video, and we would continue inshallah in the next class. Till that time, goodbye.